Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see a Laplace transform of periodic function. Let us see a problem. Find the Laplace transform of f of t. The function for the interval 0 to pi by omega is sin omega t, and for the function pi by omega to pi by omega is 0. This is the formula for periodic function L of f of t, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as integral 0 to a e power minus st f of t dt. In the periodic function, this problem is of the type 4. The difference in the type 4th problem is the function for the given interval will be a trigonometric function. Let us solve this problem. Solution: L of f of t, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus a is the interval. Here the highest limit here is 2 pi by omega. So my 2 pi by omega into s integral 0 to the highest limit here is 2 pi by omega e power minus st f of t dt. In the next step we are going to split this 1 minus e power minus 2 pi by omega into s, open common bracket, 0 to pi by omega is the first interval, e power minus st. Function for the first interval is sin omega t, so sin omega t plus the next interval pi to 2 pi by omega e power minus st. The function for this one is 0 into dt. As the function for the pi by omega to 2 pi by omega is 0, so we need not write this in this next step. We are just going to integrate this function and find the Laplace transform. Even the function for the highest interval 2 pi by omega is 0. We must write the highest interval value in this place. Let's know a formula. Integration of e power at sin bt is equal to e power at by a square plus b square into a sin bt minus b cos bt. This is the integration formula for e power at sin bt. In the place of a you have s, and in the place of b we have omega. So we are going to apply this integration formula in this place. L of f of t, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2 pi by omega into s e power at, that is e power minus st, divided by a square value is a square plus omega square into a, that is minus s, sin b value is omega t minus b value omega cos b value is omega, so omega t. The limit value is 0 to pi by omega. In the next step we are going to apply the limit value. 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2 pi by omega into s. First apply the upper limit, e power minus, in the place of t, s into pi by omega divided by s square plus omega square minus sin omega t. In the place of t, how to write? Pi by omega. This omega and omega get cancelled. Minus omega cos omega pi by omega. This omega and omega get cancelled. Now in the next step we are going to apply the lower limit. Minus e power minus, in the place of the lower limit is 0. In the place of t, how to put 0? E power 0 by s square plus omega square into minus sin in omega, in the place of t you have 0 minus omega cos 0. Now know the values. Sin 0 value is 0, sin phi value is also 0, cos 0 value is 1 and cos omega value is minus 1. Let's substitute these values here and find the Laplace transform. 1 minus e power minus 2 pi by omega into s. Here s square plus omega square is constant, so we take it outside. 1 by s square plus omega square into e power minus s by omega. Here sin pi value is 0 into 0 minus cos pi value is minus 1, so minus into minus you get plus omega. Here is the minus sign. E power 0 value is 1 minus of minus s into sin 0 value is 0, so need not write this term, minus of cos 0 value is 1 minus omega. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s by omega into s square plus omega square into omega into e power minus s pi by omega plus omega. In this step omega is common, so we take it outside. Omega into 1 plus e power minus s pi by omega divided by, this is of the form a square minus b square, so we are splitting it into a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus e power minus s pi by omega into 1 minus e power minus s pi by omega into s square plus omega square. Both of these terms get cancelled, so write the remaining terms omega by s square plus omega square into 1 minus e power minus s pi by omega. This is your Laplace transform for the given periodic function. Hope you have understood. Thank you.